Welcome back to the Arctic for a fun little adventure. Today we're going to travel upriver to a small cabin that sits along the migration route of a caribou herd. On the way, I spotted a few ptarmigan. Ptarmigan are brown in the summer and nearly all white in the winter. Squeaky, hollow-sounding snow is cold. Today it is negative 24 degrees Fahrenheit. As I traveled upriver, I saw several places where small bands of caribou had crossed the river. There it is, Caribou Cabin. We will just cruise across the river ice and park at the front door. It is clear that this is a well-kept, tidy cabin. This riverside cabin has everything you need to spend a comfortable night. Well, except for a door. The beauty of the Arctic is stunning. Thanks for watching, and for more Alaska adventures, don't forget to subscribe.